Alright. Alright, so 2-count fills are kind of like what we were doing before, 16th notes with the 1-count, with the 4-count fills, but we're just going to cut that measure in half. So instead of as our fill measure, we're going to do 1, 2, 1, 2. So there's half a beat and half a groove. So we used to do this. 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do this. 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay? So it's 2-count fills instead. The rest of the page moves around. It does snares, toms. It starts on the toms, starts on the snares, starts on all the toms. It goes around. There's a kind of a pattern throughout the whole thing. But mainly get when you're supposed to do the fill. So we count to 3. We do 3 grooves. Then 1, 2, fill 2. I'll play it one more time for you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Alright, good luck, 2-count fills.